ang sinasabi po ninyo, if my understanding is correct, hindi pa lang niya nagagamit yung power because the bill is not yet with him. But once he accepts, he gets it, he will sign it immediately. Ganun
Of
po ba?
course, opo. Bakit naman hindi po niya ipipirmahan? Eh, siya po yung nagnais po nito.
Ma'am, actually yun din ang tanong namin pare-pareho last week because when we asked him, I asked him kung kailan ba niya balak. Ang sinasabi niya, it's a very complicated calculation and he is not going to rush into lowering or suspending excise taxes. Parang hindi ho yun nga po yung nakakapagtaka, sinertify niya as urgent, but he is not in a hurry to exercise the powers.
Okay, magkaiba po yun. Iba po yung pipirma niya agad dahil gusto niya po itong batas na to, at iba po yung maaaring hindi niya agad ma-implement. Dahil tandaan po natin, nasa batas, doon sa ginawa po na bill, na kailangan na yung price ay mag-breach o mag-reach ng $80 per barrel sa loob ng 30 days. So as of the time na binanggit nyo yan, wala pa po kasing 30 days. So at the time, mahirapan po siya talagang i-implement. Pero pag yan, pumasok na po, na naayos sa batas na 30 days, ay maaari na po itong magawa ng anumang order. At pag sinabi po kasi nating excise tax, ito naman po ay upon entry. So pag sinabi nating upon entry, wala po tayo, if ever, wala tayong maaangkat na langis, so hindi ma-exercise yung pag-reduce at pag-suspend ng excise tax. So ganun po yung ibig sabihin ng Pangulo.